Here we have 3 exercises. We're going to go through this circuit. It's going to be lateral lunge to a single leg balance, a plank with an elbow and shoulder tap, and into a monkey drop. You'll go through all 3 of these exercises as many times as possible through this time circuit. Lateral lunge. You go 5 on one side. Five on the other side. We'll go plank in a push-up position, elbow, elbow, shoulder, shoulder. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You go through that 10 times. We have our monkey drops, which is going to be in this push-up position where we are going to drop the butt and just rolling. Right back into your lateral lunge or single leg balance.